HostGator Managed WordPress Hosting Review Usage Experience. Links to HostGator and its plans are in the description. Now let's get straight into what HostGator's managed WordPress hosting offers. HostGator is known for its affordable hosting solutions, and its managed WordPress plans are designed for bloggers, small businesses, and website owners who want a hassle-free experience with optimized performance. One of the key features is speed. HostGator uses cloud-based hosting with integrated caching and a content delivery network, CDN, to ensure fast loading times. This is crucial for SEO and user experience. Additionally, all plans come with unmetered bandwidth, meaning no traffic limits, which is great for growing websites. Security is another strong point. HostGator provides free SSL certificates, automatic malware removal, daily backups, and advanced firewalls to protect against cyber threats. It also includes automatic WordPress updates to keep your site secure and running smoothly. The hosting is beginner-friendly, with an easy-to-use dashboard for managing websites, domains, and backups. It also comes with a free site migration service, which is useful if you're transferring an existing WordPress site. HostGator's staging environment lets users test changes before making them live, a feature essential for website owners who frequently update their content or design. Support is available 24/7 via live chat, phone, and a knowledge base, but response times can vary. Pricing is competitive, often with significant discounts for first-time users. However, like many hosting providers, renewal rates increase after the initial term. Overall, HostGator's managed WordPress hosting is a solid choice for beginners and small businesses looking for an affordable, feature-rich hosting solution with good performance and security. It may not be the best option for high-traffic or developer-focused websites, but for most users, it delivers excellent value. If you're considering HostGator, check out the links in the description for more details.